In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to answer a question on the Turbotax community forum. Navigating through online forums can be a bit daunting at first, but once you get the hang of it, you'll find it to be a tremendous resource for both seeking and sharing knowledge. Let's walk through this process together, step by step. First, you'll want to start by going to the Turbotax official site. This is your main hub for everything related to Turbotax, including their community forum where you can interact with other users and experts. Head over to the Turbotax website via your web browser. The homepage is filled with information, but don't get overwhelmed. A simple navigation will take you exactly where you need to be. Once you're on the homepage, scroll down a little until you spot the community section. This is the gateway to the forum where all the discussions take place. Clicking on this link will transport you into the heart of the Turbotax community, a vibrant place bustling with activity and insight. Here, users post questions on a wide range of topics to seek advice or share solutions based on their experiences. Now imagine you've come across a question that piques your interest, or maybe one you have good knowledge about. It's now time to put your expertise into play. At the top of the community page, you'll find a search bar where you can type in a specific question. You might find it handy to type keywords instead of full sentences to see a wider range of related topics. After entering your query, press the Enter key to proceed. As the search results populate, browse through them to select a question or topics that match what you're looking for, or one that you feel you can contribute to meaningfully. Simply click on any result that seems to align with your interest. Remember, the aim is to be as helpful and accurate as possible, so choose a query you're confident in addressing. Once you've selected a question, it's time to share your knowledge. Scroll through the discussion thread if there's one ongoing to gauge what has already been covered. Now click on the reply button. This is where you can add your input, findings, or solutions to the question at hand. When crafting your response, be clear and concise. People often appreciate solutions that are straight to the point but comprehensive enough to resolve their queries. That's it. You've successfully navigated the Turbotax community forum and contributed by answering a question. Not only have you helped someone else, but this also strengthens your own understanding and confidence in the subject matter. Keep exploring and engaging on the forum, and with time, you might just become the go-to person others seek advice from. Thanks for joining me today, and I'm excited to see you apply these steps in your Turbotax community journey.